In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt chart ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the Gantt view for your work and understand what you're looking at so you can plan timelines with confidence. First, head to ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. This gets you to your main dashboard, where all of your spaces, projects, and tasks live. If you're already signed in, you'll land right where you left off. Next, choose the space that holds the work you want to visualize. Spaces are the highest level containers in ClickUp, and they keep related folders, lists, and boards organized. Picking the right space ensures you're looking at the correct projects and tasks when you switch views. Now open your board or list inside that space. Whether you normally work in list view or board view, the important thing is to open the location where your tasks actually live. You'll be pulling the same tasks into the Gantt chart. You're simply changing how they're displayed. A quick note for later. Tasks show up on a Gantt chart when they have start and due dates. If something seems missing after you switch views, lack of dates is usually the reason. Look toward the top of the screen for the view controls and click on View. This is where ClickUp lets you switch between ways of looking at the same work, like list, board, calendar, timeline, and of course, Gantt. Think of it as choosing the lens through which you're seeing your tasks. From the View options, click on Gantt. ClickUp will load a timeline on the right and a structured list of tasks on the left. Each task becomes a bar stretching from its start date to its due date, making it easy to spot overlaps, gaps, and potential bottlenecks at a glance. As you review the chart, notice the time scale across the top. You can change the zoom level to see weeks, months, or quarters, depending on how detailed you need to be. Groups and subtasks can be expanded or collapsed on the left to focus on exactly the portion of the plan you care about. Dependency lines, if any exist, will help you see which tasks need to finish before others can begin. Use this view to validate that your schedule makes sense. If you see a chain of dependent tasks crammed into the same window, that's a signal to spread them out or adjust durations. And if a critical task is missing from the timeline, check that it has start and due dates assigned. That's it. You've opened and understood the Gantt chart in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!